What's up, guys? Today I'm going to go over everything you need to know about starting a successful dropshipping business if you're in the military. You can do this even if you're active duty infantry. Right now, I'm an 0311 in the Marine Corps active duty, and I'm making about $4,000 per month in sales for my dropshipping business. So if you're interested in doing the same, keep watching the video. So what is dropshipping and how does it work? Dropshipping is basically an online selling method where you don't hold inventory. So with that being said, it's an easy business to start from scratch without needing a ton of money. Basically, all you're gonna do is create a store, import products, and begin marketing on social media platforms like Instagram or TikTok. So benefits of dropshipping. The reason why starting a dropshipping business can be so good for military members is that you can create a decent amount of money with little to nothing. As I said before, you don't need a lot of money when it comes to starting a dropshipping business. The most it would cost you to establish your own store and start selling is at least $20. And along the way, you'll learn a ton of valuable skills such as web design, marketing, logistics, and much more. So if you guys want to start another business in the future, a lot of these skills will come in handy. So let's talk challenges with dropshipping, right? As easy as it may sound, there are some challenges. However, the only challenges you'll experience are the ones you set for yourself. Because quite frankly, if you're not doing the proper research, finding the right products, you make a half-assed store that doesn't look credible, or you don't market your products on social media, then you will have a hard time. So it's simply the more you put in, the more you'll get out. If you don't succeed on your first store, that simply means go back to the drawing board, right? Dust yourself off and make the next one. It took me 2 stores before I made my 3rd store and finally made 5 figures in sales. The reason I succeeded was because I actually put the time and effort into my most recent store in every aspect. So the most important part, I'd argue, is finding the right product, right? You can only promote such a bad product with such a good store. So when trying to find the right products, you're gonna want to find stuff that meets criteria if you want the highest chance of being successful. So with that being said, you want products that are lightweight, they're profitable. You can't sell peanuts for $50. You want to make sure that this product is targeted towards a specific audience, it's eye-catching, and most importantly, it adds some value to people's lives. Now, it is also important that you recognize the fact of an evergreen market. That means that the products are able to sell all year round. So you're obviously not going to sell winter coats during the summer, and you won't sell swimming shorts in the winter. However, if you wanted to take advantage of these non-evergreen markets, let's say you got holidays coming up like 4th of July or Christmas, you can quickly build a Shopify store suited towards these holidays and absolutely kill it because the demand is going to be there. So that's just some food for thought. So finding suppliers, right? The best websites to dropship from has to be AliExpress, in my opinion, because it's just reliable, it's user-friendly, and it offers a ton of products to test and play with, right? And there's other platforms that I do avoid, like Alibaba, because that's more of buying stock in bulk, which is riskier. Remember, we're dropshipping, we're not actually holding inventory to ship out to customers, but I'll talk about that in a different video. There are also other websites for dropshipping like WooCommerce and Zendrop, but again, I stick with AliExpress because it's integrated with so many options on Shopify, and that makes it extremely easy to get started as a beginner. So setting up your online store, right? Very simple process. And we actually go over all of this in our free course. You guys can click on the link below or go to operationentrepreneur.com, which is a website we created for military members looking to make money and start their own business. It's completely free. And all that we ask of you is that you share the course with someone else that you know in the military that could benefit from this course as well. But anyways, I won't go over all the details on setting up your store. Otherwise, this video will be way too long. But again, just feel free to sign up for our free course using the link down below. And with that being said, we'll be going over how to use Shopify because it's super easy to use and you can get your store set up within a couple of hours. So of course, once you create a lot of stores, you will get better with time and you'll be able to set up professional stores in less than 2 to 3 hours. We'll actually leave a link down below where you guys can get started with 3 months of Shopify for just $1. And so once you guys get that plan, just go ahead and join our free course where I'll take you step by step through the entire store setup. So marketing and traffic, right? You can have the best product in the world, but if no one knows about it, good luck getting sales. This is where marketing comes into play. There are 2 ways of marketing. You have organic content and you got paid content. Organic content is simply making videos around your product and posting them on your own on TikTok, Instagram, whatever, and making sure that you go viral so you can actually get some traffic to your website. This is the best method if you want to stay within a low budget and grow your brand authentically. So I highly recommend recommend this option for most beginners. Then you have paid content, which is content boosts with money to reach more people. However, this doesn't mean that every person that sees it will buy the product. Another method to doing paid content is UGC, which is where you pay a creator to make organic content about your product that you can post to your page. Now, this can cost a bit of money and it will require you to reach out and negotiate with other people, but it can bring a lot of targeted eyes that are ready to buy when done right. And again, if you guys want to learn more about marketing and driving traffic to your dropshipping store, I'll be covering in detail how you can make ads, find UGC creators, and how you can create viral content on TikTok and Instagram on our free online course. So that being said, just go ahead and click on the link in the description and sign up. So the next thing I want to talk to you guys about is customer service, right? Super important in any business, especially a dropshipping business. I'm gonna give you guys a quick scenario. I had someone email me for a refund for a product that I charged $70 for when it cost me $35. Rather than refunding the entire $70, I offered to send the same product in a different size for free. This way, rather than going into the negatives, I broke even on the refund. And another thing to keep in mind is it was convenient for both me and the seller. They didn't have to go and ship it back. They didn't have to do any of that. So with dropshipping, this kind of stuff requires on-the-fly critical thinking. So you want to be smart with what you do and always have your email connected to a mobile device so you can quickly answer any complaints or requests. I've had people comment on how good customer service was because I replied so damn fast, 4 to 5 minutes fast, sometimes even 1 minute. This is the type of reputation that you do want, because if you reply slow, you don't handle your customers properly, your brand's gonna get hurt, people will leave negative reviews, and you're not gonna be doing well. So customer service is a tricky subject to talk about because there's always new scenarios with different solutions. But my best advice is to just think before you act, brainstorm a few good ideas on how to solve the problem, and just continue scaling your business from there. So the last thing I'm going to talk about is scaling your dropshipping business. Super important, and it's going to be short because the answer is very easy. The key to scaling your dropshipping business comes down to one thing, that's consistency. If you're constantly looking for new products, how are you going to fail? If you're constantly posting content for the product, how will you fail? And most importantly, if you constantly improve your store in every single way, whether that's images, new videos, new text, fixing grammatical errors, whatever, you're going to be able to scale your business like nothing. So yeah, that's pretty much everything you need to know about getting started with dropshipping in the military. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you learned something. Again, we will leave a link down below to get 3 months of Shopify for just $1, and also feel to check out our free course on operationentrepreneur.com to learn step-by-step how to set up a store on Shopify, as well as how you can market and drive traffic to your business. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.